My friend, this is Baby Love, written by Brian and Eddie Holland and Lamont Dozier. It was arranged by Dan Coates, and I believe it was made famous by the Supremes, or, yeah, it was doo-woppy. I could be wrong, though. If I am, put it in the comment section below. I'd love to know. 1960s-ish. It's in the key of F, F major, G minor, A minor, B flat major, C major, D minor, E diminished would be our C7 and then back to F. We also, outside of the key, have an E flat major, a D dominant 7. Just slightly looking ahead, I think we play an A minor 7. Yeah, A minor 7, and then the whole song, yeah, B flat major 7 is in there as well. So we'd have this kind of chord at the end. I play a lot of my G minor 7s like this, kind of like an 11 chord, so you might see me do that. I hope it helps. As a foundation, this is played with a pedal, and it is played moderately slow. 4/4, 4 beats per measure. Quarter note gets the beat. 1, 2, ready with F major, F dominant 7, D7 to G minor, B flat major with the F that's in the bass, F major, B flat major, F the bass, the 4 chord, then the 1 chord, staccato, B flat, A minor 7, G minor 7, C dominant 7. Does that whole thing, baby love, baby love, I miss you, oh, now I miss you. Instead of breaking up, let's start some kissing and making up. Don't throw away our love away. In my arms, why don't you stay? We're going to take that all the way back to the beginning of the song and sing through the second verse. Baby love, my baby love, why must we sleep break my love all my whole life through? I never loved one person but you. Why do you like me like you do? I guess it's me or we, cause I need you to hold me again, to feel the warmth, embrace my love. Don't you throw our love away. Please don't do me this way. Not happy like I used to be. We're going to take the second ending. It's going to be that got the best of. Now there's a double bar. So we're going to take the DC al coda, which means we're going to go all the way back to our DC, directly to the top of this tune. When we get to the top of the tune, we're going to be singing that last verse all the way out, and then rather than going through the whole tune, we're going to look for the coda on the bottom of page 16. So after we do that baby, my baby love, I need you, oh how I need you now. Why do you do me like you do? After I've been true to you, so deep in love with you, my goodness. We're gonna do the B flat, A minor, to baby, 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 baby. The second time through, we're gonna play that G minor 7 to the C7 and say, I got the best of, and then we're gonna take the end of this. I got the best that hurts me until, to me, ooh, my baby. Don't throw all your love away. Don't throw me out, don't go away. Don't throw all our love away. Baby love. That last movement, I don't know why they threw that B flat major 7 in there, but it sounds great. I would keep with that whole central theme. B flat major 7, A minor 7, G minor 7, maybe add a 9 on there. That sounds great. And then a C dominant 7. You can even add a 9 if you want. That would sound wonderful as well. And then an F. But I'm not here to change music. I'm just showing how to play it. If you have any questions about how to play Baby Love in the key of F major, put it in the comment section below. If you also want to hear something covered, put it in the comment section. And have fun with music. Aloha.